G'day, I'm Dave from the CVA Sydney office, and I'm here to show you the wonderful Londonderry Woodland Reserve. It's an incredibly rare remnant of Cumberland Plain Woodland, of which there's only about 5% of it left in the entire world. So we're located here in Western Sydney, at the very base of the Blue Mountains. Here is a very, very special plant. So this one, do you see that trumpet-like flower? So this is the Nodding Geebung, or Persoonia nutans. So this site's really, really special. We've got almost 1,000 of these plants here, and there's quite a cool story. If you look closely, you might see a grape-like fruit, which is called a drupe. In times gone by, it used to be eaten by an emu. The emu's gut would break down the seed coat. It would spread the seed. But we don't have emus here anymore. This plant is actually critically endangered now. So what we're doing here to safeguard this population, we're monitoring the plants that are on site and we're recording every single one. Here we go. So we've inscribed on it the number. This is Persoonia nutans 424. Now, to boost this population, we actually had plants from the Mt Annan Botanic Gardens. Back in 2017, we had only about 50 plants, and now we're closer to 1,000. So there's some really successful conservation work happening right under our noses.